This week on Bucking Industries, or month, or I can't remember when the last movie I put out or video I put out was. This is just a quick one from our kebab run over the June long weekend or Queen's birthday long weekend, whatever it is. Greg came up and pinched the 4Z that I was going to use in the bucket, but we've just, as you've seen, fuel injected it now, so he can have that, and he's going to put it into his Jemmy and do things with it. So he's going to make a little video that I'm going to put up at some stage, which is pretty cool. But we figured with him in town and Tom and Alvan that we'd get together, and Eiley came as well. Can't forget Eiley. We'd get together and go for a cruise and get a kebab because apparently they're very blessed down in Melbourne with kebab. So we did a run to the Yarralumla Kebab shop, which is probably the best kebab shop in Canberra, and took some pretty cool cars with us. So check it out.
cup. You're Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. 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 Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We're going hard. Pour some more into my cup. Sparkling star. Crystal glitter all over. Get in my car. Let's go to my favorite club. Rich like a queen. All my clothes are designer. Life is a dream. Don't wanna wake up from her. Strawberry cream. My lips taste just like sugar. Come head to me. You look like an animatronic. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. 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 Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. 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 Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We're going hard. Pour some more into my cup. Sparkling star. Crystal glitter all over. Get in my car. Let's go to my favorite club. Rich like a queen. All my clothes are designer. Life is a dream. Don't wanna wake up from her. Strawberry cream. My lips taste just like sugar. Come head to me. You look like an animatronic. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up.
So there you have it, our little kebab run. It was pretty cool, some neat cars come along. And yeah, so I gotta get back into this thing, which, as you can see, has had a couple of little progress shots since the last video. And the next video will come out, which will be a little bit dated, but the only difference is the rocker cover is a different colour now. But we're in the process of pulling this thing out to put the clutch in. I got a CD heavy duty clutch for it, mainly because I just didn't want to not have enough clutch. This thing's ended in the summer nats this year, so I'm on that. As you can see, you know, a few little surprises. But yeah, the clutch is down there. I'm actually in the process of potentially putting an EOR up for not that pressure plate, but that pressure plate and that light and flywheel. I've got a clutch for it as well, but I just don't think I'm going to use the flywheel. I've got another one I had machined up by ACT Brakes in Belconnen. who did a really good job in no time. So I'm going to get that done. So if anyone wants to lighten flywheel, clutch and so on, hit me up. I don't know what they're worth. I've got a price in mind, but you know. Yeah, so anyway, we're hoping to get back into this thing soon and bring you more videos and a few other things. Once this is done, put together, I'm hoping to drive it out and take it for a tune, and some special man's going to help us out tuning it. So yeah. Also, there's a run coming up on the 14th of August, some special religious day. I'm not quite sure what's going on there, but yeah, we might go for a pub run, some different. I haven't done that for a while. Hopefully, in this. So anyway, wishful thinking, I think. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Oh, and buy a hoodie or shirt because I need the money because I'm broke as fuck. Nah, it goes into a new GoPro for us. We don't actually make any money off it. Bye.